Hi, my name's Daniel. I'm part of the technical team here at Hall Technologies, and we're here at ISE 2023 showing off some of our brand new unified communication products that we've got for this year. Just give you a quick overview of some of those pieces. We start with the small huddle rooms. We call it our work from home kit, but actually there's a 4K EPTZ auto framing camera there with a microphone and speaker dock that really elevates if you're doing things in the home office, but also in 2-3 person huddle spaces. We go right the way through then to things like our 4K EPTZ camera. So that's something that's taking 140 degrees of vision. You can do auto framing, voice tracking, microphones built into that. And then we step up to things more combined items like our Mercury Videobar, where you've got microphones, speakers, and again a 4K EPTZ camera built in. We're really bringing together solutions this year, bringing together things that we want to make for small, medium, and larger meeting room spaces. So these things are absolutely perfect for that, and we can help you build a solution for any kind of size or space. So if you want to find out more about those things, then head to halltechav.com, and fingers crossed we'll see you at the show.